In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set up your TikTok Shop shipping template. So to do that, you first need to head over right here in your TikTok Shop Seller Center. You can head over to seller.tiktok.com and you will be redirected to the link associated with your region. As of now, I'm currently in the Philippines, so I have in your seller-ph on my link. Now, for this case, do take note that as of February 25, 2026, TikTok will be discontinuing independent seller shipping for US local sellers. So if a US local sellers, you are now required to use TikTok Shop logistics services instead of other service. Now, since I'm on the Philippines, there's actually no announcement of that here yet, so we'll continue using Philippines actual service. So for this case, to set up your shipping template, you can head over here into your shopping or your shop icon. It's typically located in the upper right corner. Now, once you click on it, click on My Account and click on Account Settings. Once you're in there, we just need to locate the warehouse settings. As you can see, it has shipping preferences right here. So let's head over and click on that. With this, you can see right here all of the warehouse that you have available. We have in here our pickup warehouse as well as our return warehouse. So for this case, you can head over and then edit right here this pickup, since this should be able to be the warehouse wherein the product will be gotten. So let's head over and click on edit right here. You can also see right here the shipping settings. So let's head over and click on this right here. So you can see right here the supported delivery options of my store. So we have in here these options which are standard shipping, and it has carriers such as JNT, Ninja Van, as well as Flash and STO. Now we also have in here this option for next day delivery, which is available to warehouses in specific regions. So you can head over and enable this and then turn this on. So this is actually the products that are within shipping limit that can use this delivery option. So you can see right here all of the actual ship option or carriers. So you don't actually need to set up the shipping template. Since this will be our template from now on, you can just choose a specific courier that you want to turn on, and then it should be able to send the actual product to the customer using these options. So in here, you can activate this delivery options, and then users or customers can select between different carriers available right here. So it's just as easy as that. They don't need to dwell about how much will be the shipping fee because it will be standardized and it will be dictated by this particular carriers. Now, on the better part, on the higher part for this, the actual total for this is 78 pesos for the higher options, which is around $1.25. Now, on the lower limit for this shipping is around 38 pesos or 42 pesos, which is almost 80 cents. So these are the shipping options or shipping settings available for the actual shipping on TikTok for the Philippines. You can also head over to the fulfillment settings. You can see right here all the fulfillments or the orders that you have completed. You can also see in here the cancellations as well as the returns and refunds. You can print labels after shipment, document format options like shipping labels, packing lists, and choosing here collection method settings. You can also see right here how the cancellation will be handled, as well as how the returns and refunds will be handled as well. So you can choose refund without return, auto approve refunds, and return auto approval options. So you can manage all of these things options as well as their orders directly into your TikTok shop settings. So with this, you can have a seamless TikTok shop seller experience. However, do take note that if there's any cancellation or return refunds, all of the fees associated by TikTok will be deducted from your account and not from their customers. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.